I don't have like a lot of time to, come and break things down to you, but I just want to say to you, sir, I have genuine love for you at this point, and that's why I'm doing this video. All right? Take back yourself and just looking at yourself and know that Colaz don't hate you one bit. I know so you don't hate me neither. I know that all of this that you're doing, is because you love Colaz in a one way where you can't see through the fact that I am not right there standing next to you. And that's hard, and I know that's hard. But sometimes we let expectations of people, bring us to a place where at the end of the day, if the person does anything opposite to whatever we wanted them to do or wanted them to become, we got so consumed in our own expectations of them that it allows us to see them differently.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Happy Easter, guys. Happy Easter. Have a nice day, guys. Me a bake a Easter bun, but me couldn't make no video for sure no how me make the Easter bun. In the next, me go do some bakings and make some videos so you can see how me do my cooking and do my bakings. Guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Real Talk TV. How you do? No, alright? Me out of shopping. I hope you in a good health and good strength, and I hope you don't feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain, just go check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come check you if you have the money. If you don't have the money, call anybody, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, your brother, all your cousin-in-law, all your grandparents, grandmother-in-law. Call them, make them come help you. Remember about the have not, the people when I have nothing, when I have no money, when I have no food. Remember about them. Yeah, help them at Easter. On a birthday today. Happy Easter weekend birthday. Remember, people, drink, but do not drive when you drink. Do not drink and drive, because think about yourself, but most of all think about the other people who are on the road where accident may take them a 3 point. Guys, guys, I see a video this morning, and the video when me see this morning, me go telling you the truth. I really like that video. I really appreciate that video. And when I sit down and I look into myself, a man with a steel of a man, a strong man, a man with a heart, make that video. And who me I talk about is Colaz Smith. Yeah, man, Colaz Smith me I talk about. Yeah? Me see Colaz Smith make a video the other day, and Colaz Smith big up subscribers. Colaz Smith also talk about subscribers, content creators, where I bash him. Content creator we attack bother him, and content creator we attack good of him. Yes, him say it, him big up bunch of people. However, this video where Colaz Smith make was directed to Daddy Gargon. It wasn't a video that Colaz Smith do and call Colaz Smith make a video and call out almost everybody naming it. Now he make a specific video directed to Daddy Gargon. That's called power. That's power right there. Him never called Daddy Gargon name in at the rest of video them with everybody else, which is very important. And I go tell you something. When me see Colaz do that, me realize say Colaz know exactly what him do. Very smart move. Him never bungle up everybody in a one. Colaz put Daddy Gargon because he want to talk to Daddy Gargon by himself. Colaz, me applaud you for do that. Me applaud you for be the big man. Me applaud you for be the man. Me applaud you for be the one who come out and say, listen, Daddy Gargon, me have nothing against you. Me not hate you. Him even stop the word. Him go say the word about him no hate and him no use that word. Colaz change that word and use something different. Him use a different word. Because him never want to have the word hate in a way him say. Because him want to show Daddy Gargon say, listen man, me not have nothing against you. Me love you. Me care about you. Colaz said to Daddy Gargon say, the Daddy Gargon when him know is deteriorating because of what him do and the videos where him make towards him Colaz. What more can a man do to say, guys, it now work? However, when Colaz make the video and you listen to what Colaz has said to Daddy Gargon, Colaz has sent Daddy Gargon a nice message, a loving message, and I tell Daddy Gargon, say, Daddy Gargon, I don't have nothing against you. I don't have nothing against you. It's just that the expectation that you have is it go different because him Colaz do something with you Daddy Gargon may not like. So the expectation of people is always the problem, you know. Daddy Gargon, me see Colaz say something to you too, you know. Where me I tell you the truth, I hope you take it to heart and realize, say, Colaz, understand. Say, Colaz use a phrase and Colaz say, when a man there with a woman and the relationship broke up, but the man believes, say, nobody else nothing have the woman and go and analyze the woman. That's where Colaz, that's the point where Colaz use, and that's a very good point that Colaz use because guess what? Colaz is saying that the relationship that you and him used to, you know, it's not there no more, and you choose to go make videos, join up with people, and I try to beat him down, but him not have nothing against you. How powerful that is to hear them things that come out of Colaz mouth. They're very powerful. Them very strong to hear them that come out of Colaz Smith mouth. All some viewers and subscribers, Colaz take the time out to say to everybody, Colaz take the time out to put these words in there. Since everybody are like the people them where put him down, Daddy Gargon where make how much videos, him still a travel, him still a tour the world, him still a making money, him still a do everything where the videos supposed to stop him from doing. He's still doing them. So in other words, guys, Colaz simply I said to people, say, look man, it now make no sense. It will not make any sense because me still I do everything where me set out for do and more. So I go tell you the truth. I believe that these messages that Colaz put out there, I believe each and every one should have learned and get some things from these messages. The one where him do the other day, where him say, him call out names. I think people should take a lot from from that same video, and then this video, where him do, sending a message directly, talking directly to Daddy Gargon should be a stepping stone to each and every man out there where I make video on the behalf of Colaz Smith, or I make video defending Colaz Smith, or I make video attacking each other. This video should show each and every man out there say it don't really make any sense, because Colaz himself said the videos them with Daddy Gargon I make to stop him still a make money, him still a fly, him still a tour the world, him still a do what him set out to do, him still a accomplish things. So if you all can get these points out of it, because I don't only look at it as he's talking, because Colaz is talking directly to Daddy Gargon, you know? But there is message in a way Colaz has said directly to Daddy Gargon that is out there for every one of us, even me, everybody. The message is out there for, because the man said the videos that's out there bad towards him was made to carry him down, to bring him down, to break him. But what? He's still traveling, he's still flying, he's still learning the world, he's still making money. None of the videos that anybody make to bring down Colaz Smith is working. That's what he's saying. Him don't listen me good, you know. Him not say that, you know. But that's where me get out of it, because it is true. And the reality, people make video and I cuss Colaz and I bring down Colaz, I try to bring down Colaz, and Colaz views still I go up at 50,000, 60,000, 100,000, 300,000 and all those kind of things. So the thing is, what Colaz I say is simple, cut it out. What Colaz I say to Daddy Gargon is simple, cut it out. And guys, me see, can me watch Daddy Gargon video them too, you know? Don't get me wrong, you know, me watch every man video. I mean, no care who I say who are from, who I say what. Me watch every man video. Me watch everybody video. Me only not say nothing on the video them. Yeah, I do. I watch every single videos, but I do not comment, because I normally don't want people to know say me really watch them video. But me thumbs them up. Yeah man, me no care if all my enemy video. As a matter of fact, me not have no enemy. I just people who me not like me, but I just say go. Me not hate nobody. Nobody me not hate. Because guess what happened? People, remember me tell you this. Me, you will never see me and nobody depend this in an argument. Me sit down and me pencil it out. And me say to myself, say, you know what? Me don't care what a man say about me. Me and no man not in an argument. And just put points out there. Yeah, just put points, because guess what? As Colaz Smith said, YouTube is a platform where to change your life, because him said that, him know that, him feel it. Him are the one where live that life, because guess what? YouTube change his. So if YouTube change his as a poor youth, YouTube can change your life too. Yeah, YouTube can change your life too. And I believe that with all what Colaz say in them two videos we make, the one that him a big up people and the one that him say directly to Daddy Gargon, I believe them two videos was some very good message Colaz put out there. And Colaz put the message them out there for help all content creator, because all of us out here, we not come on YouTube for fight. We come on YouTube for make money, for bet. Hey guys, you see when me first know about YouTube, me know one lady long time ago, from 2008. Me really I get into this YouTube. That woman left her job and start her YouTube channel. And guys, the first contract she get, the first deal she get was with Walmart. The first deal she get was with Walmart. And if you all see what that woman won today, she and her husband and her pitney them. If you see what she won today, that woman won 3 houses. 3 houses. One of them houses, about $500,000 for one of them house. Whole heap of bedroom, big yard, because that's them film. Them film all of them video of them yards. Them have one house where them use that house only for videoing. They don't live there. Everything in that house have to do with making YouTube videos. Yeah. And guys, to be honest with you, if you all see people out there making money, why not try to make money too? Colaz is an example that people should use and say, you know what, me can make money too. But guys, and guys, me go say this, I say before I go. Let me say this. And I just want to say that word. Guys, people can talk and will talk anything bad about anybody. People talk bad. Remember me make video. You don't remember the video when me make? When me tell Colaz say he let down Murphy because he should have said something. Me make those kind of videos. And why you think me make those kind of videos? Because that's what I believe. Yes, the truth is the truth. You have to talk what is on your mind. If you see something, talk it. You know, talk it. At the time, you know, that's how life is. But that's how life is. People is going to say bad things. People is going to say good things. But when you come out as a man and can stand up as a man, just like what Colaz did, be the bigger man. Colaz be the bigger man and come out and send a direct message to Daddy Gargon. That's power right there. That's a man of steel right there. That's a man of steel right there. And Colaz, may I go say this? That's a steel move. That's a man of steel move that when you come out making a video, directing that video to Daddy Gargon, that's a big man move. That's not a boy move. That's a big man move. That's a real deal move. Remember me tell you, said that's a powerhouse move. I can't even know no more word to use. That word, that move what you make by making that video was nothing more than positive. And guys, let me say this. I hope them 2 videos that we Colaz make, because guess what happened, guys? I make a video now with the other video we Colaz make. And when I see this video this morning, I realized that I won't post that video. Me talk like how me talk. Another person talk like how them talk. So me is me. Rodney's lifestyle. Rodney's, as a matter of fact, yeah? I am who I am. I make video how I make video. I do not make videos like how another person make videos. So, with that said is, I just do me. So, in other words is, everybody can do their own thing. Make their own thing how they want it. But today, I believe Colaz send a statement that if you don't learn from the statement of what Colaz Smith say, then something broke in your ears. This message where Colaz Smith sent to Daddy Gargon. And then guys, hold on a little bit. In this last part, I see Daddy Gargon make a video. And hear the video with Daddy Gargon make. Daddy Gargon's read a scripture and the Bible and say when him go down pan him knee. When him go down pan him knee. I won't go too far in a way him say. I mean, I have a reason why I won't go too far in a way him say. I go stay right out here about what him say, but I'm going to say him go down in the scripture and him say God him go down pan him knee. My viewers and subscribers, have a wonderful Easter weekend. Me I go continue bake my bun. I'm out. Bye bye. Colaz Smith, big up yourself, youth, and live the life you love and love the life you live, and enjoy your life to the fullest. And remember, youth, from rags to riches.